back to my channel. This is again Beth, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Apple Pencil. Okay, so this is the actual pencil box. So in the Philippines, it retails for 5,999 or 6,000 pesos. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. So it doesn't conveniently come with the quick peel, hence I have to do that. This is the side. So it comes with a pristine box, the usual paperwork signed by Apple in California, and of course it comes with an extra tape and lightning support cable of some sort. And then we also have the Apple Pencil paperwork, and you know, the usual Apple Pencil stuff. So let me go ahead and put it to the side. So this is the actual pencil. It's really pretty and it's lightweight for a pencil. So let me show you. That's the tip where you use for charging the pencil. Fill that. Beautiful. Okay, and let me put this to the side. And let me use my iPad, which I just bought last week. First, I'm going to have to pair it. So let's pair it right down here at the bottom. So how you pair it is you basically just insert the pencil edge towards the end or the charging part or port of the iPad, and then it'll show you turn on Bluetooth. To pair the connected accessory, Bluetooth must be turned on. So let's turn it on. Bluetooth pairing requests. So your Apple Pencil would like to pair with your iPad. So you just hit the pair button. So let's go to the settings and check if it's already paired. There you go. So it says connected. So let's try it already. All you have to do is remove it from there. And then we could go to the notes. We can start scribbling. I prefer this one in color. Okay, let me try another one. Wow. I can see now what everyone is talking about. It really does work like an actual pencil. And you'll feel it in the Apple Pencil that the variation changes when you choose a specific you know, color or pencil or whatever it is that you're going to use for that particular note. So it's really good. Also have a ruler in there, and then you could just color down here. Alright, so I want to choose the color pink, which is my favorite color, and then let's write my name. Love it. Alright, let's try and use this one. So for me, it really enhances the experience of having an iPad. So the pencil is really handy, especially if you will be, I don't know, maybe doing some write-ups, or if you're someone who likes taking down notes, which is something that I love doing. So it gives you the new innovation wherein you can do things in your iPad in this very innovative way. So for me, I don't really know much about it just yet, but I will go ahead and try to use it for the meantime and give you an overview, you know, and probably in the coming weeks to see how this really works. But overall, I totally love the experience on having this pencil. Alright, look at that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you like this video, and for more videos like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below and click on the notification box for future videos from me. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing today, and see you again on my next Apple purchase. Goodbye.